this is my real stuff. This is my food. This is my spoon. Ball. And this is a random ribbon. So, yay! LPS Lover 300 here. And this is my third ever video. On the same day I got my channel, so hope you guys enjoy. And I got my channel the day right after Thanksgiving. So, yeah. Sorry, I was eating a noodle. Anyway, and this is, oh yeah. Hey, my LPS lovers. This is LPS Lover 300 here, and we are going to be doing a random video. See the back of my head? Well, we're going to be doing a random video with this random person here. She's rude to me right now because I was in one of her videos, and so if you are one of my subscribers, please go check out her channel. Her channel is, hey, tell us your channel so my subscribers can, check out your channel. Hey, tell me.
It's just Hope Swan, is all it is.
Her channel is Hope Swan.
And there's a picture of a girl with a banana on.
Yes, and that is her channel. Go check it out. And I have another channel with her, and it's called Hope Lane. Hope. Ow.
It's Hope Lane.
Yeah, it's Hope Lane. And yeah, go check both of those channels out. Leave in the description. We're going to be doing a Ask Scott video series-ish thing. So leave in the comments a lot of questions to ask Scott. So by Scott I mean the Five Nights at Freddy's Scott. And I am going to be making videos of me doing Five Nights at Freddy's customs on my Rollers and Tops or LPS. Yep. Sorry about that, I got a little crazy, so. So yeah, hopefully you guys like to laugh, so. And if you like to laugh, go watch my Try Not to Laugh video. It's probably not that funny, but I tried my best. Oh, and also go check out LPS Blue Sparkle, Dan to DM, Markiplier, PewDiePie, and Dan to DM, and Gladiator. All of those people, go check them out. Just for, instant. Yeah, go check them out. They're really cool. And yes, I am 9 years old. I'm not really supposed to show my face. Here's my face. Here's me. I also do gaming videos, which is pretty awesome. I do gaming videos also. And so,
how's the soup, Lane?
good. Bye!